So fairly easy task here. We're gonna have to replace the this rear right caliper. These are 14 millimeters. Oh yeah, look at that. That'll cause some problems. Okay. Yeah, so what I did was I put it back on so you can break this loose. I mean, it's not unheard of, but take the 12 millimeter bolt out. That's gone. Get all the debris out of there. You'll see there's a little groove that goes in. It only goes in one way. Yeah, not real exciting. Shop charges $270 for this. And I think we just finished this in I don't even think my camera screen's turned off yet, so less than 5 minutes. So, if you're attempting this job, don't go to a shop, do it yourself. I could do it. There we go. Yeah, I did it in less than 5 minutes. Now that you know all the tools and everything looks good. And just because I'm a nice guy, I'm gonna pop these out. Give them some lube. Oh, and they are hot, hot, hot. So, there we go. Just to keep them riding even smoother now. Want to make sure these are all greased up properly, which they are. But they're moving nice. Beautiful. Now we'll go ahead and take some grease and get the friction points up here. And then we'll get right around that metal ring. Now this is where I'm going to end it because bleeding brakes. I like to do it the old-fashioned way. I like the 2 people. I know they make pumps and everything, but I don't like them. I like doing it the old-fashioned way. Having an extra person to push down the brakes while you open up this bleeder valve and then close it again. It's goof-proof. Just keep the reservoir fluid and do it. So anyways, yeah, this is the really cheap option. This is a brand new one. This isn't remanufactured. This is actually, this is Kia or Hyundai, whatever they call it. I think it's Mondo. But yeah, that's what you want to see. Get everything greased up again. It's all nice and shiny. It fits great. Time to bleed it out. Like I said, don't pay the shop. This is a $275 job, or $270, I think it was. We just did it in less than 5 minutes. So hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. It's nothing to you, but it means a lot to me, helps this channel grow. And if you can, give me a super thanks and help support and grow this channel. See you next time.